I don't know what to do. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a lovely day wherever you are in the world. Now today, I'm going to bake something that I've never baked before. That is cinnamon bites. Well, cinnamon donut bites. I saw these in the shop and thought, oh my gosh, I have to try them. I have to make them with you guys because they look delicious. I'm going to bring you guys along as I make these little sweet treats, and fingers crossed that they taste as good as they look. So let's just get straight into it and make these little cinnamon bites. Also, guys, I have some devastating news that I have to tell you, but I will wait until we have sweet treats for comfort to let you know. So if you want to jump ahead, go ahead, but I will be having a very quick chat with you guys about some devastating news. I am distraught. But anyway, let's put that aside for now and make little donut bites. So the first step is to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius fan force or 200 degrees Celsius conventional. Now, I don't know the Fahrenheit thing. You're gonna have to do the math. I'm an Australian girly. You can't fault me. I'm sorry. I only know Celsius. But anyway, so the next step in the preparation is to lightly grease some mini muffin trays. I have prepared this one earlier. Just a nice little 24 mini muffin tray. You can use a 12 one, that's fine. But yes, this is all prepped. I've just sprayed this down, but you can use little mini muffin tray liners if you choose so, but I've just gone with the grease. So fingers crossed that does not stick. But let's get straight into making the donut mix. So to make the donuts, we are going to place the donut mixture that was in the box in a bowl, adding in the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, the 1/4 cup of milk, and the egg. We're going to gently mix that together until combined, but please be aware, do not over mix this one. Then we're going to place 2 level teaspoons of the donut mixture into the muffin tray, ready for baking. We're gonna bake the donut mixture for about 9 to 10 minutes until they are slightly golden brown, and you can put a skewer through them and it comes out nice and clean. Once they finish baking, we will take them out of the oven and let them sit for about 5 minutes just to cool down slightly, and then we will transfer them onto a cooling rack to cool a little bit more to make sure that they stay in their ball donut form. So once they're cool, we will coat them in their cinnamon sugar coating. So to do that, you will have the melted butter in one bowl and the cinnamon sugar in another bowl, and you'll just be getting the donut hole and lightly brushing the melted butter onto them and then rolling and tossing them through the cinnamon sugar. And that is it. That is our little donut holes all ready to go. And now you have some lovely, lovely, yummy little donut holes. So I am going to have a few and tell you the drama now. Okay, so I need to tell you the devastating news that I have heard. I don't know what to do with myself. Genuinely, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what to do with this information because a few weeks ago, I got an email from my pottery studio saying that it is closing down. I am devastated. I don't know what to do. I'm like, this is my favorite outlet. This is my favorite thing to do. I'm crafty. I get to do things with my hands. I get to make really good things. Plus, I feel like I've started to actually get decent at it. It's been over a year since I've started doing this and I'm so sad because it is the only one around me. But I only have a few more pieces that I've yet to show you guys. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below, or if there's any like burning questions, things you want to know about my experience doing pottery, or any questions that you have about it, let me know in the comments down below and maybe I can make a final video about pottery for you guys. But if I can find somewhere else to do pottery, don't you worry, I will definitely be going for it. I will be doing it. I'm tempted to buy all the stuff myself, but that is like extremely expensive and I just do not have the space or anything to be able to do that, let's be real. But honestly, in my dreams, I wish I could do that. Very, very sad news, but I guess on the bright side of anything, I have a little bit more time to film some more videos for you guys and some more time to get into this baking era that I have been. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoy just making these little kind of afternoon videos where I'm just filming what I'm doing in my evening because you know your girl's working full time and she don't have that much time to do a lot of things. So this is just my genuine afternoon and what I've been doing, and I just really like bringing you guys along with it. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I would love to see you guys back here. And thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!